Hi guys, this is Divyansh and today in this video we are going to talk about the OnePlus TVs that were recently launched by OnePlus. So guys, today on 2nd of July OnePlus had a launch event and I'm coming straight from the live event guys. After the live event I'm making this video and the OnePlus there were many leaks that OnePlus is going to launch TVs under the budget range, and guys I was really shocked to see the pricing of those TVs, and the pricing looks to be very attractive for the two TVs, but for the other third TV I felt the pricing is slightly premium. So let us check out guys what are the specifications of that TV, and guys, should you buy it or should you not buy it? So guys, let me start the video. So guys, there are three TVs as I said, and they are categorized under two series. The one is a Y series and the other is a U series, and the U series is slightly premium series, and the Y series is for the budget range guys. So guys, this Y series have two screen sizes. They have basically two models, one with a 32-inch screen size and the other with a 43-inch screen size, and the panels used is OnePlus, nowhere it is mentioned that what type of panel is used inside that kind of TV guys, but OnePlus is calling it a OnePlus cinematic display, and I feel that it might be a IPS panel guys, because in this price range we are getting IPS panels. Surely it cannot be a OLED or a QLED panel because they are very expensive, so we cannot expect them. So I think it might be a IPS panel. Also guys, when coming to the resolution, the 32-inch TV is a 720p resolution TV, that basically it's 1366 by 768, so slightly upper than 720p resolution, but it's very close to 720p guys. So guys, the 32-inch TV is a HD ready TV. They are calling it the HD ready TV, and the 43-inch TV is 1920 by 1080p. That means it is a full that the screen used is a full HD plus screen. On the 32-inch one it was a HD screen, and in the 43-inch one it is full HD plus screen. Also guys, when coming to the speakers, they have stereo speakers with a support of about 10-watt output, and guys they support Dolby audio, so that's a good thing guys. In this price we are getting Dolby audio. Also guys, as these are Android TVs, as these are smart TVs, they run on Android, and the version of Android is 9. So guys, that's not the latest version guys, but I haven't seen any TV running on Android 10, so can't complain. And there are some OnePlus features like kids mode, data saver mode, and OnePlus Connect, OnePlus Play. There are some features that are in addition with the Android 9 that you're getting, and the UI operating system is Android OS guys, so it's very simpler, and which means guys it will have its own Play Store. You can download apps from the Play Store like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar. You can download all these apps, and you can also play games with the TV. So guys, this was the OnePlus Y series, and now guys let me come to the OnePlus U series, which is slightly on the premium side. And guys, before that let me tell you the pricing. The pricing of the 32-inch TV is insane guys. It's about the 32-inch TV is priced at about 13,000 guys, which is very good, but guys, it's a HD panel. You have to consider that the 13-inch pricing, the 32-inch TV is HD TV, and for the 43-inch, which is a full HD which has a full HD screen, is priced at about 23 or 24,000 guys. So the pricing is good guys, but I'm really sad by saying the OnePlus in the 32-inch TV they are using HD panel. So that's the thing that I don't like with this OnePlus Y series, that particularly that 32-inch model. Now guys, let's come to the OnePlus U series TV, and this is basically a premium mid-range TV guys, and the screen size is about 55-inch, and it's a 4K screen guys that they are using. Again, it is a OnePlus cinematic display. That means it might be a IPS panel guys that is used, and guys it has very more certification. It has DCI P3 color gamut. So guys, what does it means? It has that it means that it has a wide variety of support for billions of colors, guys. So that is very good. It's also HDR10 HDR10 plus certified. Also, it also has Dolby Vision, guys, and it also has a feature called HLG. I'll put the full form in the description, guys. Also, when coming to the speakers, guys, the speakers are a 30-watt stereo speakers, and the output is 30 watts, guys. So the speaker quality should be good on this. And guys, OnePlus is claiming that OnePlus is claiming that the screen to body ratio is about 95% on these TVs. Also, guys, the speaker is 30 watt, as I told you, and it also has support for Dolby Atmos. Also, in terms of OS, guys, it will run on the same Android 9 OS, and you'll have a Play Store. You can download apps based on your liking. Also, guys, one thing that I want to reflect is this TV is slightly on the premium side, guys, because we have a TV from Xiaomi and it's priced at about 43 to 44,000, guys, a 55-inch one. And guys, OnePlus is I feel OnePlus is charging quite a bit of premium for this. But guys, one strange thing I missed on this TV, it does not have support for DTS audio, guys. That is simply unacceptable at their price point. This OnePlus U series is priced at about 50,000, guys, 49,990. That is almost 50,000, and it does not have support for DTS audio, guys. Also, guys, regarding the build, I think it is a plastic build. So again, the Xiaomi one was also a plastic build, guys, but it's priced a lot less. I don't know about this TV, guys. It's a metal build but considering the price point, I cannot say it is a metal build, guys. So these are the TVs that were launched with the launched in the OnePlus event, guys, by OnePlus. Particularly, I feel that, guys, the sweet TV that most of you might get is the Full HD one, that is the 43-inch size, because that's priced at about 24,000, and Full HD resolution is also very sufficient, guys. But if you're used to a 4K screen, that you are not going to like the Full HD Plus TV. You are definitely going to move from Full HD to a 4K panel. In my house also, I have a Panasonic TV, guys, that's a Full HD Plus resolution, and I don't have any problem with that. If you want a video on my TV, guys, you can just comment. I will be happy to make a video on my TV, guys. So guys, that's it for now, guys. I hope you find my video helpful, and just tell me, guys, after watching this video, are you going to buy this OnePlus TV or not? And also comment down what are the TVs that you have in your house, guys. I have two TVs, guys. One is a 32-inch one and one is a 43 inches one. So it's fairly old, guys, almost 2 to 3 years. Mine are the Panasonic ones. So also tell me about what are the TVs that you are using in your house, guys. So that's it for now, guys. If you like my video, do hit the like button, and it will be very grateful of you for hitting that subscribe button, guys. We have to grow very fast, guys. We are growing very slow, and I'm also not posting videos. I'm sorry for that. But there is a surprise coming to you next week, guys, and I'm very excited for that. So guys, let's wrap it up. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.